In this video, I'll show you how to repeat a Möbius activity that's already been submitted for grading. So be sure to check out the Submit an Assignment Help Topic and Video Guide for more information on how to submit a completed attempt. Now, do note that completed lessons can usually be completed as many times as you want just by clicking try again on the activity pane, resuming where you just left off. But your instructor might require you to submit a lesson for grading, but that's typically not required. And also to note is that some activities might not allow you to repeat them depending on how your instructor configured them, right? Like maybe they've set a certain number of attempts, or maybe you're past a due date. You can request exception for that. That doesn't allow you to do it again. So be sure to check out the Request and Exception Help Topic and Video Guide for more information on that. But for activities that can be repeated on your class homepage, you could see activities that have a try again icon here on the right hand side. And the status icon on the left hand side could be a green check mark, or it could be a red X depending if you passed or didn't pass. But the important thing is that the try again button here on the right is the main indicator of whether or not you can repeat it. So once you're ready to try it again or repeat the activity, simply click on the button here. You might see the launch window here that you can just review the policies and properties, but whenever you're ready, start your activity and you're good to go. So that's how you repeat an activity in Möbius.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.